Chef Ricardo cooking program. I'm really happy to the guys to just explain a simple basic thing with you today, guys, to make you sure that you understand what I'm talking about. Anyway, it's gonna be 2 years now since I've been in a partnership with Fullscreen today, guys, and I wanna say I'm happy, and I wanna say thank you so much, Fullscreen, to be in a partnership, to accept me into being a partnership with you guys over the last 2 years. It is brilliant, and I'm really happy, and I'm really excited, and today I can say it is joy in my life, and I'm gonna put the link below where you can apply for a partnership with Fullscreen. Big news, international news, breakthrough for you in life. You will be happy like me. Also, anyway, Fullscreen, thank you so much, guys. Continue to do your best for every one of us into this world. It's the best of the best. This is Fullscreen. I love you guys, and this is from Chef Ricardo. Fullscreen, you are the best, and thank you so much to accept me to be in a partnership with you. Thank you so much, guys. You're amazing. And I want to say, if you never heard about Fullscreen before, the link below where you can apply to be in a partnership with them, they will accept you. They are the best of the best. Thank you so much, Fullscreen. Bye-bye.